friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen cheese curds in the air fryer. So we just need a package of frozen cheese curds. Let me open it. And now I will put it in the air fryer. Take out the basket. So here are the cheese curds, and I put them in a single layer. So now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 7 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these cheese curds, so nicely browned. Look delicious, perfectly cooked. Let me take them out of the air fryer. So see, crispy on the outside and nice and cheesy on the inside. You just cut one so you can see the cheese. See, so nicely melted. They're perfectly cooked. I'm so excited about trying these cheese curds. Let's try it. Delicious. They're so good. Crispy on the outside and melted gooey cheesy on the inside. You'll love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!